Today, we've got water leaks. The other day I was here and I put some water in the sunroof track, and as it came down the passenger side, it started to drip out of the handle. So I'm gonna try to reduplicate that here for you real quick. And then we're gonna get that side pulled down and pull the headliner down a little bit and see what we got going on, see if we can fix this water leak, because it stinks in this truck. Let's go get it. All right. Key on. Let's open this thing up. It's got a moonroof in the back, and it's got the regular sunroof here. Man, this thing stinks real bad. All right. I'm just gonna pour some water in the drain. So I didn't think anything of this because originally when I did this the other day, you can see it comes out of there where it's supposed to. But then as I was sitting here waiting or just watching it the other day, it started coming out right here. I'm gonna put a little bit more in there. It's coming out real heavy down there in the drain. Oh, see, it goes right there. So, and the sunroof is still very empty. So there's no standing water in there or anything like that. It's nice and clear. So that means something up in here coming from this drain tube. Should be a drain tube that comes in and runs down here. But as you can see, it's been doing it a while. She's got lots of mildew and buildup in this thing. So our first thing is we're gonna get this handle out. Oh, see if we can't see what's going on behind here. 10 millimeter, let's get one. I mean, it's still dripping on me. Pretty bad. So be careful, there's an airbag back here. So it's definitely pretty wet. It's still dripping away. All right, let's see about this visor here. What is that, 7 millimeter? Plug. Okay. Weather stripping. Holy wetness. Wow. Oh. Yeah. I don't even know how the water got out of this thing, but I mean, this one's pretty basic. It's nothing fancy, just the drain tube's not even hooked up. That's craziness, right? Wonder if someone tried to clear it at one point and they blew it off when they put too much compressed air in or something like that. It's quite possible. Ugh. Okay, well, let's try it again. Let's clean that up a little though. So wet. All right, more water. Just to make sure the drain tube's not broke or anything. Oh, it's coming out more now down there. That's much better. Granted, by the time I got the camera over there, it was a lot less, but that's crazy that that drain tube was just off. I mean, it's not in reality. It's not like we've never seen that before, but something had to have happened. She's had this truck for a while. And she said it only recently started doing that, so. Oh well. I'm gonna put a zip tie on that. So there, I put a zip tie on it to hold it onto the drain tube a little bit better. This side's fine. It's got that connection, the little whatever nipple there. And then it just runs all the way down behind the airbag and then out of the vehicle. Now the other side doesn't leak, so obviously that's not broken. But I wonder what happened. I'm very curious to know why that is the way it is. Like why, like I said, she's had this truck a long time. I'd say a little over a year, and it's not like it's never rained before, which, by the way, it's when she complained about it is when it started raining. But this could have been leaking for a long time and she just didn't tell me because there's a lot of buildup on the floor. So that's definitely a possibility too. I haven't seen the truck in quite some time, so that's probably all adds up pretty well there. But who knows? I mean, trying to figure out a time frame on some stuff just doesn't work, so I'm not too worried about it. It's fixed now, so that's all that really matters. Really boring video though, right? I mean, that was quick and simple. I mean, we could have predicted what that was no matter what, but nonetheless, simple and fun to show you. So I like when jobs go well. That means I can get on to the next job. Try to save some time. Got another hurricane coming this week. That's always fun. It's not like South Florida. Although I think I've had more hurricanes in where I live this year than I've ever had even when I lived in South Florida. I can't say that. I had a hurricane in South Florida destroy my house when my son was born in 2004. Tree laid over into it. Now granted it was a mobile home, but still, my house. And tree laid over into it and crushed half of it during those 2004 hurricanes. Kind of sucked. Anyway, that's it. As always, I appreciate you guys.